Hey, it's Vas here from Aussie Playground, and today we are speed testing the ARRMA Infraction. Now this guy is 100% stock. The only thing I have done is changed out my connectors to XT150s. I'm running a single 4S pack in this time around with the stock gearing. And just to see what it does. I mean, when I drive it around I might put two 2S packs in there, but for now just the one 4S, and then of course we'll switch out the 6S and see what it can do as it comes out of the box. Okay, first pass. Just did a little bit of a steering trim just to make sure everything was good. Here we go, Noah. Wow, nice. How much? 68 on 4S. That's good, that's good. That's very promising. Very happy with that. Wow, this thing goes out of the box. Here we go, Noah. $68 again. Wow. Beautiful, thank you very much. And now for the third and final pass. I will say this thing has a very good turning circle for a big car. Here we go, Noah. 68 three times. Way! And we're already drifting. Thank you very much. Alright, let's check our GPS and see how we do. Of course, I am using the DX5C with this guy, and I have ADC turned down to 30%. So it has a little bit of an influence, but not too much. Okay, as we flip over our body here, we have, well, would you look at that, 68 kilometers an hour on the GPS as well. So that pretty much settles that out of the box. 68, that's what the Infraction will do. Let's go 6S. All right, 6S. Let's see how we do, Noah. All right, clear behind? Yeah. Here we go, first pass. Holy crap. 102? Holy! What? That's stock 6S. I was expecting 60 miles an hour. I wasn't expecting 102. Holy smokes. Alright, let's go out a little further this time. Let's really wind it up. Here we go, Noah. Jesus! 102 again. Oh my god. This thing's an animal. Out of the box. Let's go one more time, Noah. Last pass. Jesus. Here we go. $103. This thing don't muck around. Oh man, that's sick. Wow. All right, I'm already in love with this thing. Now, I think, oh God, I want to have its babies. God damn. I was not expecting it to be this quick out of the box, stock. Jesus. What do we got? GPS says 103. GPS does not lie. Sorry, I've had to hold this out here because the boom mic's in the way. But in case you've missed it, there it is. Beautiful. Stock out of the box. Thank you very much for coming. And there we have it. You're running a, put the body down quickly, running a 5400 60C NXC power battery. Man, this thing is cooking. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And as always, check the video description for more information on the car, and I'll be speaking to you all next time.